Check it out, boy. Got that challenger right here. I'm gonna show y'all how to hook a little amp up in here, or a big ass amp, one of the two. So right here, you got your power. Pop that thing off like so. See that? See your little power right there? You got a little nut right here, right? So you could take your power wire. You're gonna modify it a little bit like I did. You see it? Or if you don't have a 0 gauge and you got a 4, it'll probably fit on that. But I modified mine like so. So I could stick it here and it would lay down. So when I shut this hatch, it'll be all nice and fine and dandy, you dig? So I came down here and I hooked my ground up to right there. Now, I ain't no pro. Y'all's the pro. I just do it how you know. So I connected it right there. And you can find a spot somewhere that's up underneath here to hook a ground. But I went right there. I brought it downtown. Now look, I got my amp sitting in here, right? Now they got a little door. A little hole right there that you can run your wires through if you got boo-hoo long wires. Or you can tap a little hole right here, you dig? Cut a little hole out and your wires will come through right here. See, my amp, it gonna sit about right there. So them holes gonna come through, cut them holes right there. Wires gonna come through right to my amp. Everything gonna sit fine. Oh, people running wild outside. So I hooked my fuse on top of my fuse box, like so. And yeah, they got a little screw sticking through, but it ain't gonna touch none of them fuses. So when I pop this puppy on there, like shit, I would say like so, but see it snap down. So there it is.